Installing and activating a HOLASIM eSIM on your Samsung Galaxy is really simple. Remember to install your eSIM a few hours before your trip and only activate it once you arrive at your destination. Once you have made your purchase on our website, we will send you an email with everything you need to know to complete this process. Now, let's get started. Grab your phone. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, such as Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go to Settings and then Connections. Once there, look for SIM Manager to find the installation options for your eSIM. Under eSIMs, select Add eSIM to start the installation process for your new mobile plan. Select Scan QR code from service provider. Here, you have two options: install with a QR code or install manually. To install with a QR code, you must have access to the code we sent you by email, either on another device or print it out. Position the QR code in the box shown on screen. Wait a few seconds for your new mobile plan to be identified. If you don't have the QR code on another device or print it out, you can carry out the installation manually. On the same screen, tap Enter Activation Code below the box. Copy and paste the manual installation code for Android that we emailed you. Tap Connect and wait a few seconds. Once the plan has been identified, tap Add to add it to your device. If you'd like to change the name of your eSIM, tap on your new plan and select the option that says Name. We recommend naming it something like HOLASIM plus your destination. Congrats! You've successfully installed your eSIM. Already arrived at your destination? Then it's time to activate your eSIM. Go back to Settings, then Connections, and finally go to SIM Manager. Under Preferred SIMs, tap on Mobile Data and select your new HOLASIM eSIM as default for mobile data. If your plan includes calls, press Calls and select HOLASIM as your default line to make and receive calls. From here, we recommend that you deactivate your main SIM. This will prevent extra roaming charges on your bill. Go back to Connections, select Mobile Networks, and choose the data roaming option to activate your eSIM. And that's it. Your HOLASIM eSIM is now active. Connected again. Let's go. If you need help, our customer support team is available 24/7 via chat. We're here to keep you connected wherever you go. HOLA World, HOLASIM.